So I think that today's meeting is very important from the point of view that home-based workers are a very large number of workers in our country. And unless and until we start talking about why the government, the sector, the industry needs to focus on this large number of women who are working in their homes and also adding income to their own families, we are actually leaving out a very large number of women from basic social security, basic living wages, decent working conditions. So I think it's very important that we have a policy that covers all these features. The fact that this was initiated in 2017 and now has been revived again with Seva and Vigo in it. And in the room today, we had many other experts. So a lot of us were able to bring in different nuances. Like, for instance, one of the nuance was that today we need to look at rural home-based workers as well, because that's a large sector again, and that might drive up the numbers even more. Another point that was kind of brought in was that we need this policy to be future-looking, and what kind of futuristic scenarios are likely to emerge for women. Also, the element of how that was a big learning for me, that there is a lot of drive that can come from the legislations that are being brought in, say, from the European countries, and which they are insisting on what kind of working conditions the products they buy should be adhering to. And so if India is wanting to remain in the game or to be able to supply goods to the international value chain, then we need to make sure that we do have a policy, we do have the safeguards, and we are able to ensure that we live up to these requirements. Thank you.